In this video, I'm going to show you how to export a company's posts from LinkedIn to Excel. The resulting Excel file will look like this. Click the like button to support the channel, and if you're into web automation and data extraction, subscribe for more bot tutorials. Let's start. To extract a company's post from LinkedIn to Excel, we'll use the LinkedIn Company Post Extractor. Find the bot link in the video description. Here's how to launch this tool. Head to Botster. Create a free Botster account and log in. Open the LinkedIn Company Post Extractors page. Click on the green button to start the bot. Name your job. Paste the LinkedIn profile link of your target company. Select how many posts you need to export. For example, 50. Select notification type, email, Google Drive, Slack, Telegram, Webhook, or Zapier. Launch the bot into action. Done. Click on CSV, Excel, or JSON to save the extracted LinkedIn post to your computer, or click on View Data to open the results online. We've exported the posts published by our target company, as well as the number of shares, comments, reactions, and more. View the full example file from this video on the bot page. Sign up on Botster, export LinkedIn posts by company with the help of the LinkedIn Company Post Extractor, and get access to dozens of other powerful bots. If you found this video to be useful, click the like and subscribe buttons for more automation tutorials. See you in the next video.